Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're just on a typical day here with Mikey in a GTR, doing a little outing for fun. But damn, look at his new carbon vented hood. It gives the car a much more aggressive look, giving it a meaner road presence. It's never a day with Mikey if we're not at a gas station. Well, he's only going to get something to eat, but yeah. And it says no parking at any time there. Oh well. Whatever. And ooh, there's a car wash there. Okay, nice. The weather's looking kind of bad now. It was pretty good earlier, but yeah. We're here at Corwick at the lakes, trying to find a good spot to take some photos, but no luck yet. Oh well, at least we had a little adventure in the sun. Found a nice industrial location here. GTR looking mean. Suits this place pretty well. Oh yeah. Another little spot here with the blue warehouse matching the blue GTR. Not too bad. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now let's hear that blower valve. Oh yeah, that is satisfying. Apparently it's a lot louder with the vented hood. Oh yeah, that's the way.
Two-wheel drive this bad boy.
He got dusted. Well, this is pretty much the end of the video. It was a bit of a quick one today. Just a little quick outing in the afternoon with Mikey. Got like only 3 photos, but it wasn't bad still. Around the industrial area. At least I got to experience that blower valve with the new carbon vented hood, giving the GTR a much meaner look. But yeah, that's that. You know what to do. It's your life, do whatever you want. Report the video if you want. And that's that. I'm out.